Hey, I'm Jessie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put on a cheek pad for a KS7 12-gauge bullpup shotgun made by Kel-Tec.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be putting on a 1.25 cheek pad. I think they've got a 0.65, 1.5, and a 2.25. So this is going to be in the middle. You guys notice there's two slits here and here. So that's where you want to line up. That's where you want to line up your barrels on your slits. So slit, slit. So you see this opening here? This is to make sure you don't cover up because your serial number is right here. The best thing that I found to do is where these little triangles are is where you want to rip it and then start halfway at the triangle.
Also note that they do mention to use an alcohol pad to wipe it down, which is provided. But it's best not to because it left a white residue.
Takes you about 5 minutes to clean it off.
So you do not want to use the alcohol pad. Just wipe it down clean with a rag to make sure it's fine and there's no stuff on there.
All right, so you want to start on your side, your first side here. You want to make sure it's level with the lower, so your lower receiver, where your lower is exactly where you want to line up, okay? So take your finger and run it across like that. And you see how everything can still be seen from the company, the serial number, everything.
Yes.
Now you notice that I've only pulled off half of it, okay?
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it over. I'm gonna make sure everything's lined up straight. Now, if you match up, you see how that triangle automatically meets right in the barrel, middle of the barrel, because I lined up off of your lower. All right, so line up off your lower because if you're a right-hand shooter, your face is going to be on the side, so it doesn't matter where the left or the actual right side of this pad lands. So again, do the same thing.
Oop,
sorry,
got another Kel-Tec.
Another KS7 in the way. So run it down with your thumbs, both sides, all the way down. No air pockets. So nice and slow. Kind of. Now it also tells you to put like tells you to put some wood clamps and all kinds of other nonsense on there to hold it down, but about 30 seconds, a good firm pressure, just holding it. It's got a pretty good adhesive on it, and then come back in from the back side. Make sure you got no bubbles. Perfect. Then you just want to fucking squeeze real hard.
This is his. That's mine.
Yeah, totally different. So you got that.
You have two different models.
So you got two different KS7. No, same models. Just
same models.
Of course,
they're modified differently.
Yeah, exactly.
Is what I mean.
Totally different everything on there.
Yeah.
Watch out! You just dropped your
goodness!
gun.
Oh my god! He's about to not have a girlfriend anymore. He knows how I do not like scratches.
Here you go, machete.
I do not like scratches on my guns. I do not like imperfections. So I do like how the KS7 has a grip. It makes it very easy to carry it, hold it around. You don't have to put that bullshit sling that he's got on because you can't find anything better than that right now.
Green light, what's up? Literally got the green light for real.
You need some shoes.
I've got my shoes on.
And let's go test this out. Thank you for putting my cheek pad on, honey.
Blow shit up.
Got the rest of the modifications on, so let's go try it out.